Hey everyone, have you heard that over 98% of users might not qualify for the airdrop in the Catizen bot? Sounds shocking, right? But the good news is, the solution is simpler than you think. Even if you start today, you can still qualify for the airdrop, which could be worth at least $250. Let me show you how. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now, let's talk about the leaked document from the Catizen bot. While it's not confirmed 100%, it does seem pretty legit. The total supply of the currency is 1 billion, and 43% of that will be distributed in the airdrop. That's about 430 million coins. Currently, the price of the coin in the pre-market is 76 cents. So why are so many users not qualifying? According to the leak, only those in the platinum tier or higher will qualify for the airdrop. The rest, over 98%, won't get anything. To put that into perspective, out of 29 million users, only about 1.5% will qualify. But don't worry, reaching platinum is actually quite easy, even if you're a beginner, and you don't even need to activate the auto feature. With a little effort, you could be one of the qualifiers, earning anywhere from $250 to $4,250 depending on your rank. The higher payouts go to those in the Master and Royal tiers, but is that really fair? Getting to those levels takes a lot of time and effort and usually requires activating the auto feature for long periods. However, there's still a real chance to earn rewards, even for beginners. Let's be realistic, though. The numbers will change depending on the price of the coin. If it drops below 76 cents, the rewards will shrink. On the flip side, if the price goes up, your rewards will too. At the end of the day, everything depends on your rank and how the profits are distributed. If you want to boost your rank before time runs out, you've got 2 options. Either pay to activate the auto feature via Telegram and keep your device running for several hours a day, or put in manual work on the bot for a few hours each day. If you stay dedicated, you can easily hit platinum before the listing. For those new to the bot, you'll find the link in the description. All you have to do is buy cats and merge them, then spend the fish you collect on the fishing feature to increase your earnings. These are the 2 main tasks you need to focus on. My advice? Treat this as if the leaks are 100% accurate and work on the bot accordingly. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.